Welcome back to the Top Foreign channel. Here's a simple 3-step process to start earning real PayPal money instantly. Step 1. Grab your phone. Step 2. Click play and watch a short YouTube video. Step 3. See the money appear in your account right away. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and I'm confident that you'll love this amazing opportunity. Hello everyone! We regularly post new and exciting videos on how to make money. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one to try out our latest videos. Take a moment to look at these payment proofs from people who are already earning hundreds of dollars just by watching YouTube videos. You can join them and get paid real PayPal money without spending a dime. Let's dive right into it. First, visit this website, which presents an incredible opportunity to make money online by watching YouTube videos. Take a look at the recent withdrawal history below. You'll see numerous people from around the world who are cashing out real money on a daily basis. Check out today's withdrawals, which demonstrates the website's transparency in showcasing everyone's earnings and the amount you can cash out. These individuals come from various countries worldwide, and they can easily withdraw their earnings. Now, let's dive into today's video and follow each step to start earning money just like them. After watching this video, the first step is to join this website. Click on the Join button displayed here, which will redirect you to the registration page. Sign up for a completely free account by providing your username, email address, and password. You don't need to worry about your location, as it will be automatically detected, and your registration will be accepted without any issues. Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Join button. Don't fret, as you can complete this process using either your mobile phone or computer. After signing up, your dashboard should resemble the one shown here. Now click on the YouTube button, which displays options such as plays, likes, dislikes, and subs. Simply click on plays, and you'll be directed to a page where you can watch YouTube videos and earn money online. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure to watch the videos for a minimum of 35 seconds to earn points. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can exchange them for real money. When you watch this video, you'll earn a specific amount of points. To do this, click on the display button, which will redirect you to the corresponding YouTube video. Once you return to the website, you'll notice a countdown starting from 35 seconds. As soon as it reaches 0, you'll earn the points. This means you don't necessarily have to watch the entire video. Simply pause it, go back to the website, and wait for the 35 seconds to pass. The points will be automatically added to your balance. It's as simple as that. Here's another example. These are the points you can earn by watching another video. Click the play button to be redirected to YouTube again. Pause the video without needing to watch it, go back to the website, and wait for the 35 seconds to elapse. The points will then be added to your balance automatically. If you're enjoying our video so far, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. By doing so, you won't regret it, and you'll also receive notifications every time we post a new video. As one of my lovely subscribers, you'll be the first to know and have the opportunity to make money. So please make sure to do that. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. You can watch as many videos as you'd like. Now let me share a bonus tip where you can earn double or even triple the points. For instance, if you watch the highlighted video here, to earn this amount of points, you can open a new tab on your phone or computer and watch another video simultaneously. This means you don't have to wait for 35 seconds to watch just one video. You can do this with multiple videos at the same time, whether it's 2, 10, or even 20 videos. For instance, open one tab and click on play to watch a video, then open another tab, click play on a different video, and so on. This smart approach allows you to watch numerous videos concurrently, maximizing your earning potential. By watching a significant number of YouTube videos, you can make money much faster compared to others. As you can see, the stack of credit points is immediately added to your balance. The website you can visit for this purpose is called followfast.com. Now let me share another bonus tip. While watching YouTube videos like this one, click on the settings icon and play the videos at a faster speed by changing the playback speed from normal to double. Additionally, you can adjust the video quality by clicking on the quality settings. By default, it's set to auto. You have the flexibility to choose the payment method that suits you best. Once you accumulate points by watching videos, you can immediately exchange those points for real cash. The best part is that they have a minimum payout threshold of just $1. This means that as soon as you earn $1, you can promptly withdraw and cash out your earnings. This is made possible by their minimum payout system, ensuring you have quick access to your earnings. Once you reach a balance of $50, you can immediately request a payout. Afterward, you'll need to wait for approximately 3 to 5 business days to receive your money. This method offers a straightforward way to earn money online, and it's not widely known among many people. Take advantage of this opportunity to benefit yourself. That covers everything for today's video.